ISTB presents, in association with Dhanmanjuri Community College, DM University, Imphal, launching a series of educational programs, recorded online classes for undergraduate and postgraduate students by teachers from various colleges and universities. During this COVID-19 lockdown, every day on ISTB Nongin, 8 p.m. from 24th May 2020 onwards. What's for that? Only on ISTB Nongin.
Good morning, dear students. Today, let us discuss project management part. The analysis in critical path method does not take into the case where time estimates for the different activities are probabilistic. This technique, unlike CPM, takes into account the uncertainty of project durations. Probability considerations are incorporated in project scheduling by assuming that the time estimate for each activity is based on three different values. Optimistic time estimate, this is denoted by T naught or A. This is the duration of any activity when everything goes on well during the project. That is, laborers are available and come in time, machines are working properly, money is available whenever needed, there is no scarcity of raw material needed, and so on. So everything goes on well. This is known as optimistic time. Pessimistic time estimate, this is denoted by TP or small b. It is the duration of an activity when almost everything goes against our will and a lot of difficulties are faced while doing a project. Next, most likely time estimate, this is denoted by TM or small m. It is the duration of an activity when something go on well and something go wrong while doing a project. So based on these three time estimates, we have to develop probability density function. There are two main assumptions. The activity durations are independent, that is the time required to complete an activity will have no bearing on the completion time of any other activity of the project. The activity durations follow beta distribution. Beta distribution is a probability distribution with mean TE equal to T naught plus 4Tm plus TP by 6 and standard deviation sigma T equal to TP minus T naught but divided by 6. So now let us discuss one problem. A small project is composed of activities whose time estimates are listed in the table below. First, we have to draw the project network. Next, we have to find expected duration and variance for each activity. Then we have to find out expected project length. After this, we have to calculate the variance and the standard deviation of the project length. And finally, we have to find the probability date the project will be completed. L is 4 days earlier than the expected. Then next, the probability that the project will be completed no more than 4 days later than expected time. So let us see this problem. Activity. Optimistic time, this is denoted by T naught. Most likely time, Tm. Pessimistic time, it is denoted by Tp. Then we have to find expected time. This is denoted by Te. The formula is T naught plus 4Tm plus Tp divided by 6. Next, variance. formula is Tp minus T naught by 6 whole square. So activity is 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 5, 3 5, 4 6, 5 6. So 1 1, 2 1, 2 2, 3. Next 1 4, 2 1, 5 5 6, 7 7, 8 1, 14, 8 15. So now we have to find expected time. So this is 8 plus 4 12, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Then this is 8, 16, 24. 24 by 6 is 4. Next 10, 4 to the 8, 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Next 2 plus 4, 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. This is 16. 4 5 is 20. 36 divided by 6 is 6. This is 10. 20. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Then finally this 18. 6 4 is 24. To 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So this is the expected time. Next we have to find variance. Tp minus T naught. This is 7 minus 1 6. 6 divided by 6 1. 1 square 1. This is 6. 6 by 6 1. 1 square 1. 8 minus 2 6. 6 by 6 is 1. This is 6. Okay. This is 1 minus Tp minus T naught. This is 0. Then it becomes, this is 12. 12 divided 6 2. 2 is 4. Then this is 6. 6 by 6 is 1. 1. 15 minus 3 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 square means 4. Okay. Then we have to draw the network. So first is 1 1 to 2. 2. Next 1 to 3. 1 to 4. 2 to 5. 3 to 5. 4 to 6. 5 to 6. So time duration is 1 to 2. Expected time is 2. 1 3. Expected time is 4. 1 4. Expected time is 3. 2 5. Expected time is 1. 3 5. 3 5. Expected time is 6. 4 6. Expected time is 5. 5 6. Expected time is 7. So this is the network. Now we have to find out critical part. For this we have to write one box here. You put one box, 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 Okay, then forward pass. Forward pass. ES1 earlier start. ES1 is taken 0. So next ES2 means ES1 plus D12. ES1 is 0. D12 is 2. So it becomes 2. This is 2. ES3. This is ES2 plus ES3. ES1 plus D13. ES1 is 0. D13 is 4. It becomes 4. We have to write 4 here. Next, ES4, ES1, D14. ES1 is 0. D14 is 3. So this is 3. You have to write 3 here. Next, ES5. So there are two roots. ES5 equal to maximum ES3 plus D35 ES2 plus D25. So there are two roots, one from node 3, another from node 2. This is maximum. ES3 means 4, D35 6, ES2 2, D25 1. So this is 10, this is 3. We have to take 10. Next, ES6. ES6. There are two roots. Maximum ES5 plus D56, ES4 D46. This is equal to maximum. ES5 10, D56 7, ES4 3, D46 5. So this is 17, this is 8. We have to take the maximum value 17. You put 17 here. So this is the forward pass. Next, let us see backward pass. Backward pass. LC6, latest completion time. So we have to draw another figure different from previous one. Okay, first we have to write here 17. LC6 17. Then LC5. This is LC6 minus D56. LC6 17, D56 7. So it becomes 10. We have to write 10 here. Next, LC4. LC4. LC5. No, LC6 minus D46. LC6 17. D46 is 5. So it becomes 12. We have to write 12 here. Next, LC3. LC3. LC5 minus D35. LC5 10. D35 6. It becomes 4. Right. 4. LC2. LC2. LC5 minus D25. LC5 10, D25 1, it become 9. LC1, there are 3 roots, we have to take minimum. LC3 minus D13, LC4 minus D14, LC2 D12. This is minimum. LC3 4, D13 4, LC4 12, D14 3, LC2 9, D12 2. This is 0, this is 9, this is 7. So we have to take minimum 0. We have to put 0 here. So this is the backward pass. So now let us see the critical part. So 4 minus 0 4, 4 minus 0 4, this is okay. And here 0 2f minus 0 is 2f, this is 3. We will not take this. This is 9 minus 0 is 9, but here is 2. So we will not take this. So we have to take this line. Next, 10 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 4 is 6, this is okay. You draw another line and shading. Then finally, 17 minus 10 is 7, 17 minus 10 is 7. So this is okay. So the critical path is 1 2 3, next 3 to 5, next 5 to 6. So therefore total expected project duration equal to 4 plus 6 plus 7, 17 days. This is expected project duration. Variance of project length. Variance of project length, sigma c square. So 1 3 is 1 variance, 3 5 4 5 6, the variance is 4, so 9. Therefore standard of the variance project length is square root of 9 3. So now standard normal variate. Standard normal variate is given by z equal to x minus mu by sigma. So this x we have to write Ts, mu means Te, sigma means sigma c. This Ts is due date, Te means expected project duration, this is the standard deviation of project length. So we have to find probability that the project will be completed at least 4 days earlier than expected. Expected date is 17 days. So we want to finish the project at least 4 days earlier. So due date is 13. Expected project duration is 17 days. sigma c is 3, so it become minus 4 by 3, it become minus 1.33. In the normal curve, the area under this curve is taken to be 1. The sum of all the probability is 1, so then normal curve is symmetrical about the mean. So area left side is 0.5, right hand side we will take 0.5. Suppose one line is here. Suppose this point is 1.333, then on the left hand side suppose minus 1.33. In the normal curve, the curve is symmetrical about the mean, so this area is similar to this area. So now we have to find the area of the region under the normal curve up to minus 1.33. Minus 1.33 is here. So we have to find this area. So this area will be given by 0.5 minus area of this region. Area of this region will be given by normal table pi of 1.33. The pi of 1.33 can be obtained from the normal table. So now let us see the probability of TS less than or equal to 13. So this is equal to probability of Z less than or equal to minus 1.33. This is equal to 0.5 minus pi of 1.33. 0.5 pi of 1.33 is given in the question. So 0.40I2. So this is 0.5 minus 0.40I2. It become I190. 0918. In terms of percent, 9.18%. So this is the probability of completing the project within 13 days. Again, next we have to find probability that the project will be completed no more than 4 days later than expected time. Expected time is 17 days, so 17 plus 4 means 21 days. Again, we have to find Z equal to TS minus TE by sigma C. Due date is 21 days, expected is 17, it become 3 sigma C, so this is 4 by 3, so it is 1.33. So now probability TS less than or equal to 21, this is equal to probability of Z less than or equal to 1.33. This is equal to 1.33 is here in this normal curve, 1.33 is here. So the area of the region enclosed by this normal curve is divided by this line. So on the left hand side the area is 0.5 plus 0.5 plus area of this region. Area of this region will be given by pi 1.33. So the value of 0.5 pi 1.33 is given 0.40I2. This is 0.9 0.2 in terms of percent, it become 90.82%. So now the probability that the project will be completed within 21 days is 90.82%. So this is the method for finding probability for completing the project. So now I will give you one assignment similar to this problem. For the network below, the time estimates are given. So draw the project network, find the expected duration, variance of each activity, then what is the expected project length, calculate the variance and the standard deviation of project length, find the probability of completing the project in 25 days. Data is given on this table. So you try this problem as I have done here. So let us stop today here. Thank you.
ISTB presents, in association with Dhanmanjuri Community College, DM University Imphal, launching a series of educational programs, recorded online classes for undergraduate and postgraduate students by teachers from various colleges and universities. During this COVID-19 lockdown, every day on ISTB Nongin, 8 p.m. from 24th May 2020 onwards. What's spotted? Only on ISTB Nongin.